Hello guys! Today we'll make Jhatpat karahi. Add salt up to taste. Coriander powder to TBs. Chili flake. Red chili powder. Green chilies crushed. Tomatoes ½ kg. Take a pan and pour 4 TB seconds oil. Add chicken to hot oil, salt, and ginger garlic paste. Fry until golden brown and dish it out. Add tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and green chilies. Fry in a medium flame. Now add chicken and all spices. Hot spices, garam masala, burning coal. Mazadar Jhatpat karahi. If you like the video, so please like and subscribe our channel. See you soon. Bye.